Welcome back to Estrada Nada.
Do you?
Goodbye! Goodbye!
I'm in it! Oh my god!
Welcome back, Estrada Nada gang, to another Copart video. What can we find for under 7,000? I know you guys like that. Make sure before we even start off, smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe and don't forget, hit the notification bell. Every time I drop these videos, I want you and your homies to know. Alright, we're gonna get straight to it. Ain't that much but to do it. Alright, I see you. You came in a Challenger. I see you. Okay, but you want some more power, right? Look no further. 2010 SRT8. Yes, this is a buy now for $6,700. It is a clean title as well, sir. So we'll take a look through it. 180,000. You can see SRT8. Yes, this has a 6.1 liter Hemi. You feel me? You see it. You see it. Automatic, dogmatic, whatever you want to call it. Next. Alright, you like them imports, but you want an old whip. And you don't want to drop the top on them, right? Look no further. 1999 BMW M3. Yes, you can buy this right now. Clean title. $3,300. We'll take a look through it right now. You can see. Yes, I need some work. But you're going to get an M3, dog. No, I do not know the mileage, though. Damn. This one's kind of raggedy. No shit. Okay, they probably drifted the shit out of this one. Look at the steering wheel. You can see it. They didn't even show us the motor, bruh. They can't even open the door, bruh. Don't worry, you ain't got to buy this one, but also if you are interested in any of these cars, the lot numbers are on here. Next. Okay, I see you got a family of 3, right? You're a single mom, you want to pull up and they want to be noticed, right? Look no further. 2004 Porsche Cayenne Turbo 4500 buy now. Yes, rebuild title, but don't worry about that. Let's take a look around. Yes, it's all black. I think I've already done this one, honestly. But we gonna throw it back in there. Look at the motor. It's clean. You've never seen a motor like that anyways. 158,000 miles. What else do you need? Might need some coolant, though. Don't worry. We'll take care of it. Little dent on the door. Don't worry. I'm not gonna take care of that. But 4,500 by now? Shit. Can't beat that. Next. Alright. You want something luxury. You want something you can fit the homies or the hoes in the back, right? But you want a V10. Now you can't just get a regular V10. You gotta get a 2007 Audi S6 with the Quattro, yeah, because you don't want to be slipping and sliding while they're slipping and sliding, if you feel me. $5,300. Yes, clean title. 169,000 miles. Look at it. It's in great shape. Look at the seats. Come on, you get the competition seats. V10, 5.2 liter. Yes, this is the same motor as they have in the R8s, V8s. Come on. Basically got an R8 with 4 doors, dog. Fuck, you mean. Next. Okay, you want a clean title Beamer, right? Look no further. 2008 BMW M6. Yes, M6. This also got that V10 you love. $6,600. 166,000 miles on it. Fuck you mean. Look at that. Look at that. I've already done this shit. Next. Okay. You're just like me. You like them Audis. You want a S4. Look no further. 2007 Audi S4 with the Quattro all-wheel drive. 2,700 buy now. Come on. Salvage title, you already know this. That's why you came to me. 172,000 miles. Damn, you will not be driving off the lot with this. Look at that rear end damage. Got the axle fucked up. V8, yes. Next. Okay, you're not really into the new school Camaros, right? Look no further. I got an old one for you. 1989 Chevy Corvette. Salvage title. 40,000 miles. 40,000 miles on the 89. Come on. Hold on. Buying out for 1,700? Bruh. You got updated headlights. Damn. Yeah, that's special right there. They don't all come like that. Automatic has got the 5-liter in there. V8 small block. 40,000 miles. Who knows if it's... You see the damage, but you see the upgraded headlights. Next. Okay, you didn't like the Audi I showed you earlier. Don't worry, I got a newer one. 2010 Audi S4. Look at it, look at it. 122,000 miles, buying out for 6,800. Shit. It's mechanical. So you better be on your P's and Q's when you want to fix this one. Yes, it's got the 3-liter turbo. Ooh, look at the interior now. Look at the interior. Yes, they spilled a little bit of peanut butter on that bitch. You see it. Turbo V6. 122,000 miles, like I said. Silver paint. What more do you want? Next. Okay, you didn't like that old Camaro I showed you, right? You're more into like a somewhat newer body style. Look no further. Remember, these cars are all under $7,000. So what do you expect? Let me show you what I got. I got a clean title 2010 Chevy Camaro SS, 150,000 miles on it. $5,500? Yes, this one does have that 6.2 liter that they love. Same motor that's in a Corvette. Stingray, not a Z06. You just see it. Nicely painted. That one's nicely painted because it matched the car. 150,000 miles, runs and drives. What more do you want? Next. Alright, you want to stunt, right? You want to drive it like you stole it. You want it to look like it's stolen. Look no further. 2007 BMW M6. Look at that damage on it. God damn. But don't worry, you can have it for a measly $4,500. Shit. You might as well shut this bitch up. Look at it. This shit terrible. Does have the V10 somewhere in there. That bitch in the passenger seat. Fuck you mean. Next. Okay, so you want 2020 type vehicle, right? You got a family you want to take care of. Well, I wouldn't recommend this for you, but if you don't give up, look no further. 2020 Dodge Durango RT? Shit. Not rebuildable? That means you can't even drive this bitch on the street legally. But you can have it for $5,500. Shit, let's look around. Look how bad that is. Rolled over. Look like a deer got in there. Don't worry about that. Yes, this one does have that 5.7 Hemi that you RT lovers love. Look at it. All the airbags have gone off. Don't worry. Next. Okay, I see you. You part of the Stain gang. Don't worry, I got you, dog. 2011 Ford GT. 2011. Buy now for $3,400. And it's only got 84,000 miles on it. Damn. Look at it. It's not great. It's got the 5-liter though versus that 4.6. It's actually not that bad. You see the lot number if you're interested. 3,400. Slide me $100 though. Next. Okay, more for the Stain gang. I got you. 2008 Ford Mustang GT. 113,000 miles. $3,900 buying now. The other one was too bad for you, right? Look no further. Look at that. You got the Shelby writing on it, but this one does have that 4.6 that I was telling you about that I don't like, but it also is a manual. Damn, that boy can spit bars, boy. Fuck you mean 113,000 miles. Next. Okay, you like to shift your own gears. You're trying to save the manuals. Don't worry. 2004 Audi S4 is for you. Clean title, 153,000 miles. Buying now for $2,500. Where else you gonna find that, huh? Come on, dude. It's a manual, all-wheel drive, with a V8 in it. Look at it, 4-door sedan. And it's an Audi. 150,000 miles. You see it. You see the lot number. Don't worry. Next. Okay, you ain't part of the Stain gang, but you part of the Camaro gang. Don't worry. 2011 SS clean title from Texas. $4,300, 170,000 miles. Let's take a look around. All black, everything. You see it. Damn, the interior's terrible. They had fucking rats and gerbils in that bitch. Don't worry about it. I'm turned up right now. Shit, that shit's ugly. Shit. Well, you see it does have that 6.2 liter that you niggas love. Next. Okay, you wanna be one of them motherfuckers off of Keeping Up with the Kardashians. You love them Range Rovers. Look no further. 2012 Land Rover, Range Rover Sport, HSE Luxury. Fuck. 143,000 miles. $3,500. Yes, $100. It is mechanical, so you better have a good mechanic. You feel me? All black. Little hints of silver in it. Black interior. You see it. This one does have that supercharged 5 liter out of a Jag. If you didn't know, they're partnered together, but whatever. Next. Okay, you fuck with the Jags like I fuck with the Jags, right? 2009 Jaguar XF supercharged. Also, it's a clean title for you. All the motherfuckers are like, is it salvage? I don't know if I want a salvage car because I'm a bitch and I'm scary. Shut the fuck up. Fuck you talking about? Get off my damn channel, boy. 124,000 miles on it. $3,500. Buy now. Runs and drives. Shit. You see it? Light damage. Ooh-wee. Look at that interior. Yeah, you didn't know I was a singer, huh? Cut. 4.2 liter supercharged. Transmission don't work, but next. Okay, this one right here, I really think you guys are gonna like. It has a 5.7 liter. It's a coupe. It's a Corvette. Under $5,000. 2001 Chevy Corvette. 104,000 miles on it. It is salvaged, but don't worry about it. Look at the rims. Look at the rims, alright? You can see here, $4,900 buying now. That shit is crazy. Yes, you see the damage as well, but don't worry about that. You're still going to do the same shit in it anyways. Automatic, you see it. Next. Now, before I continue, I'm sorry if you guys can hear the rain. It just started raining outside. Tucson, it's like it rains for 15 minutes and then it stops, bro. Terrible, but let's continue with this because I know you want to get out of here, but don't worry. I got something for you. You like Maseratis. I know it. I see it. I see the shirt you got on, dude. 2007 Maserati Quattroporte M139. $3,000 buy now. Yes, it's a salvage title, but it only got 39,000 miles on it. It is also a V8. 4 doors. More horse. Come on. Look at the interior. Come on. Where are you going to get that for $3,000? In a Mazda? In a Mazda? In a Mazda? Fuck you mean? Yeah. See, I didn't look at it before I was trying to sell, but don't worry about that. We closed it. You see 39,000 miles on this shit. $3,000? What more could you want? Lot number there, hit me up. Now I got a very special car as the last one. You guys know this channel is built on like AMGs and stuff. You guys can look back at the other videos. This right here is something that's fire, and it's a clean title. 2008 Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG. Look at it with the red paint, dog. Come on, bruh. Yes, it has 148,000 miles on it. The buy now, $6,800. Look at that. You get that luxury. Damn, they didn't even show the motor, bruh. Fuck am I saying? It says right there 148. Jeez. But you see it. That's gonna do it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching these videos. Smashing the like button for me means a lot. Continue to do that. I'll keep bringing you guys more content. We got a lot more stuff I got a few updates coming up on those 3 vehicles I got. Make sure you guys cop the merch. It's gonna start to get cold again, so I'm about to bring the hoodie out for y'all. Next video, I'm in the hoodie, dog. Fuck you mean? That's it. That's all. Later, y'all.